So I've noticed a lot of you guys have been commenting that I have a large yard. This is true, but it got me thinking, how can we turn anyone's backyard into a fun, sessionable area that isn't permanent? Because I know a lot of wives or parents or roommates don't want to see a trail in the backyard. So this week I'm going to show you how to make a few features that can be turned into an endless possibility of features. Let's get to it. First things first, we need logs. It doesn't really matter what size you choose, but the bigger the log, the harder the feature. The only real thing you need to worry about is that the log is nice and round like this one. Next, you'll need some lumber. It doesn't really matter what size you choose, but I'd recommend having several different sizes around to choose from. Grab a screwdriver and screws or a hammer and nails and you're good to go. It doesn't matter which of these you choose, just use what you have on hand. Let's start with the easiest. Go ahead and grab one log and one longer board that's at least 8 foot. Find its center point and then slightly move it to the side, that way it sticks up on one end. Now go ahead and screw it in or nail it in and you'll have yourself a teeter-totter. I was in the back of the house getting by. If you want to make this infinitely difficult, use a 2x2 for this. I'm always looking fly. I ain't got no money though. There's a people in the lottery. I just want to smoke because I smoke the marijuana tree. Walk up in the bread car like it's a fucking robbery. Now we can start to get creative. I grabbed a 2x4 and attached it to one of the logs, making this feature way more challenging. Kicking with my mom because he's digging on monogamy. Lack of variety, keep it in the quality. See? Now let's take the 2x4 and the log and add an additional log to it. Throw a long wide board across the top of them, and now you've got a drop. If this isn't hard enough for you, flip your log on its side or get a larger one, and you'll have a more aggressive drop. Fuck a hunger strike, they hungry, I feed them. Klondike was like on our also. I went down to. With just a few adjustments, we can turn our drop into a skinny. I took my 2x2 and placed it down the middle and added a 2x6 to the end. This makes for a awesome skinny feature. Like on our also, I went down to the ice cream stove. They said, nuh-uh, we ain't got no more. Freezer went out, now the cream not cold. I say that's fine, cause my rhyme's like snow. Let me in the back to unleash my flow. Now that you know how to make these 3 key features, I feel like there are endless possibilities of combinations with them. So just pretty much get creative with it, and get weird with it, and move things around, and have fun.